Hello, how are you? Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. As usual, we want to read the text to highlight the noteworthy words. It's Thank a Teacher Day. It's Thank a Teacher Day. My dear friend, when you want to pronounce "a" in British accent, it must be a bit exaggerated, like just thank, not thank, thank. It's Thank a Teacher Day. Let's listen to Matt Hancock.
It's Thank a Teacher Day.
So, Thank a Teacher Day. So I want to say thank you. So I want, don't say want. So I want to say thank you. Let's listen.
It's Thank a Teacher Day. So I want to say thank you to all the teachers who are...
Okay. To all the teachers. To all, not all. To all the teachers who are working. Not working, working. To all the teachers who are working.
Say thank you to all the teachers who are working to bring education to young people, okay? Who are working to bring education to young people in very difficult
circumstances. Circumstances. All of it, must be pronounced from the back of your throat. Circumstances. In very difficult circumstances.
To bring education to young people in very difficult circumstances. And I especially,
do you see? We didn't hear him saying and, in. And I especially want to say thank you, okay?
Want to say thank you to all the teachers who...
To all the teachers who've kept the schools open. Open.
Kept schools open for the children of...
For the children, this is not for the children of, not of key workers. For the children of key workers, okay?
To all the teachers who kept schools open for the children of key workers, including
Okay, including means especially. Including so many in the NHS, not NHS. In the, you see, in the or in the, not in the NHS. Why not the? Because N starts with a sound, so it is a vowel. In the NHS, okay?
Open for the children of key workers, including so many in the NHS.
You see, in the NHS. N is consonant, but when we want to pronounce it as a letter, it starts with a vowel, yes? N. Okay, and in social care. Let's listen again.
Key workers, including so many in the NHS and in social care.
You see, and in social care.
Throughout this crisis.
Throughout this, not this crisis.
Social care. Throughout this crisis. And it's as the schools start coming back, this is not back, okay? This crisis. And it's as the schools start coming back, I want to thank
teachers. Not teachers, not engineers, teachers, doctors. Do you see?
As the schools start coming back, I want to thank teachers for what they're doing.
For what? Not for what. For what? Even it is not what. This is what, want, wash, what. This is for what they doing. Okay?
Looking after our young.
Looking after, not after. Looking after our young people.
And giving them the very best.
And giving them the very best of education.